In this video, I will show you how to set up video button in your Facebook page to promote YouTube videos to get more video views and engagement. So let's see how it's done. In your Facebook page, first, click this three-dotted More option. Next, from this menu, click this Add Action button. And continue the process by clicking the Try It button in the pop-up window. From the list of options, select Watch Video option and click Next to continue. In this pop-up window, and in the website link field, you need to add the YouTube video URL link you want to promote in Facebook page. So go to the YouTube video, right-click and copy the video URL link. And next, paste the YouTube video URL link in this website link field. And finally, click the Save button to set up the Watch Video button under the Facebook page. Now, let's confirm the Watch Video button by viewing the page in the browser. And done, here is the Watch Video button set up under the Facebook page. And when Facebook users click on Watch Video button, it takes them to the YouTube video directly. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.